Hey guys, so I just wanted to take a few minutes here to show you this product here. This is from TaikyuSpec, and what they do is they specialize in a bunch of different race coatings. And if you saw my video last year of the S2000, you'll know that I tried out the Power Stop powder coated calipers. I have the front ones are not an OEM Nissan core, as I mentioned in my video last year, and not too impressed with the way they held up for track days. Of course, it is just a powder coating, so it won't handle as high temperatures as the coating that I have on those now. But as you can see, the heat from the front has like baked off the powder coating color for about the front half of the caliper there. This is totally clean. That's not brake dust or anything. That is the actual powder coating melted off. If I come to the back, this is an OEM Nissan core, but this caliper had no issues with heat, so my rear brake ducts must be working very well. The front rotors definitely should be getting hotter than the rear. These have no signs of powder coating failure after the 8 track days I did in 2020. Again, these are from Power Stop. I got lucky with these being a Nissan core. As you can see over here, while those were on the car last year, these are my OEM ones that came off the car. So these are the original calipers with the car in 2002. And I sent them out because I was keeping them as spares, but the seals were all melted out because I ran them on track before I did brake ducts, and they were just old and deteriorated as well. So I paid for the service to get them fully, stripped down, full rebuilds with all new hardware, new seals and everything, and the coating, of course. And you'll see that this coating is a little bit of a darker red. He has a couple different shades of red, so definitely contact him to discuss which one's best for you before you go for it. And you'll see I got a nice little letter here as well as a t-shirt. I was one of the pre-orders of the service early last year in 2020 when this was announced. You'll see I got some fresh stickers included with it, but I just wanted to give you an up-close look at the coating itself. It's not nearly as thick as like the powder coating is my first impression of it. But here, if you want to pause the video and read this, this is kind of an information sheet that he includes when he returns your calipers to you. He says they're all ready for installation. Everything's, check torque values. They've been completely disassembled, inspected, coated, reassembled in accordance with methods and processes detailed in the Honda S2000 factory service manual. They're verified to be fully functional and free of defect. They can't offer warranty on the caliper itself, but the finish, which is really cool, the finish on these is warranted. Should your coating flake, chip, peel, or crack, discolor, or fade in any unsightly manner, we will replace the coating for free. So I don't want to read you word for word for this whole thing, but it's pretty cool information they give you when you get it back. Of course, they want to maintain your business, so they're saying that they'll give you quite the discount if you want to have them rebuilt and whatnot in the future. So now that that's out of the way, you'll see that these are the ones for my car, so they have the Nissan engraving in the casting. So this color is like a darker red. It's supposed to match the Honda S2000 valve cover. A little closer than like the bright red from the Power Stop calipers on there. So yeah, this is they're pretty cool. I can tell they're not as thick as the powder coating, like I said, just because you can see all the texture from the casting a lot more precisely as the powder coating kind of fills in more of those divots on the Power Stop calipers. They look more smooth to the appearance versus these. We'll see how that handles brake dust. If more brake dust gets trapped in these little ridges here, cleaning them and everything should be fairly similar. Pretty chemical resistant, much higher temperature durability compared to the powder coated ones from Power Stop. So I'm pretty excited about that. I'm probably going to be putting these on the car and just taking those off and keeping them as spares just to keep it looking nice. And figured that these calipers would definitely be a nice addition. Definitely be patient when you order them. He's a pretty busy guy. If this is your only set of calipers and you're going to take your OEM set off your car and it's not the off season and you want to get the service done, definitely buy a second set of calipers from him. I'll leave a link in the description below or throw a picture on the screen right now showing kind of what he offers for his services. You can actually buy OEM calipers from him, and then that way you don't have to wait and take yours off and send them to him like I did, because I did it during the pre-order stage, so he didn't have an inventory yet of S2000 calipers. So word on the street is he does have an inventory now, so you can take a look at the screen here with the details of how much it costs. I don't know if these prices are up to date as of now, but this is what they are as soon as I made this video, so don't hold me to that, or don't hold him to that. But yeah, overall, I'm pretty impressed with the quality. It looks like everything was masked very nicely. I can see that the hardware itself was actually coated in black, which is beyond what I expected. So the bolts back here, and then the little hex, 17mm hex up here. All these seals are new, EPDM high temp seals. They're not OEM, I don't think, but they are high temp seals. I haven't had any problems with the power stop ones disintegrating or melting like I did with the OEM ones without brake ducts. Ever since I added the brake ducts to this car, it definitely helped with that issue. But you can see in here, the piston itself too is coated black. So I'm not sure if that's something he coated himself or if that's the replacement hardware and piston he puts in these calipers are black from when he gets them in. Not sure about that, but definitely a nice looking piece here. Like, there's another look at the hardware, seals and everything. In the rear calipers, you'll see that he coated the e-brake lever here black. You'll see that the bolts back here are black as well, and just a really nice job. Pretty impressed with the quality on these. And one thing that's nice with this is the coating is so thin, I'm not worried really about the crush washer. So the copper crush washer that goes against the surface when you tighten down the banjo bolt for the brake lines, the one thing that happened with the power stop ones is there was a thick layer of powder coating on there, and it wasn't super flush. So I actually ground it off with the hole plugged to make sure I had a good seal when I crushed the copper washer down. The coating is so thin that it feels super flat, and there's no imperfections on the surface that I'm not worried about it. I'm just going to torque the washer down on that and just install it that way. But overall, very impressed with these. Like I said, I'm repeating myself about this time, but you'll see that the piston in the back for the rear is black as well. Again, I'm not sure if that's how he gets the hardware in or if that's how he coated it. But yeah, definitely check them out. He's on Instagram. As far as I know, that's how I communicated with him, is through Instagram. The TaikyuSpec is his Instagram name. But he doesn't just do S2000 stuff, so you can get I was actually contacting him, getting a quote for doing my wife's MD Miata calipers black, just to clean them up a little. They have some surface rust on them from the replacement calipers I bought for the car, so it'd be nice to keep that car looking clean, as well as any other projects you may have, whether you want to get your daily driver stuff coated, or if you want to get race headers or any other kind of service you want to get done in this specialized coating. Definitely contact them for more information. So this car is now back from its first track day of 2021 in Palmer Motorsports Park in Massachusetts with S2K Takeover. Really good time, and a great group of guys to run with. A bunch of fast S2000s on the track, but here is a look at the calipers after the first track day, and I was braking very hard from about 124 miles an hour down to 60 into turn one every time. So these really got really hot, tons of brake dust everywhere. And as you can see, there is no fading of the coating yet, like the power stop ones already showed signs after my first track day of melting off the powder coating. So far it's working better. I've been happy with them. The only thing I did, I didn't just slap them right on the car out of the box. I took the slide pins out and used my special Slyramic high temp CRC grease, a silicone grease. I'll show you. This is what I run for my brake slide pins and a little bit of lube on the pad itself to slide in the caliper. So this stuff claims to be good to 3,000 degrees. It's the only stuff I found that really works. It doesn't gum up on you. So I just made sure it had the really high temp stuff in it for the track, reassembled the pins and everything. And so thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.